Hi, in this video, we're just going to look at a couple of things we need to do to get started. So we're in our dashboard, we've installed our plugin, and from the dashboard main menu, I can go to WPManager or whatever your particular controller is called, and we're initially presented with the ability to enter a secret key. Now, the secret key doesn't exist anywhere yet. You won't have a secret key given to you, and nobody will ever know what this secret key is because you are going to make it up yourself. So it's like a password that you kind of make up. So when you first put it in, you need to put it in twice to make sure it's correct. You can have up to 256 characters in this secret key, and I find it useful to perhaps put something in as a sentence that's very memorable. So for instance, I might put in, my dog is called Charlie. And I'll put an exclamation mark in there. You can't see that, I know, so you have to bear with me. And as long as they match and we click the secret key button, it should take us off. And in fact, there's a prime example. They didn't match, so I can make sure I do that correct this time. And this time, hopefully, I've spelled it right both times. And we're in. Now, the important thing is now, you need to remember that secret key, which is why I kind of said make it a sentence or something memorable. But obviously, as I say, it can be up to 256 characters, so it can be quite long and quite complex. But you cannot get that secret key back. You are the only one who knows it. It's not stored in the system in any form that you can retrieve it from. It's never passed to anywhere beyond the actual PC that you're on. So you won't be able to call support and get it back. If you forget it, then your only solution is to delete the installation that you have and to reinstall a fresh installation. And then that way you can add in a new secret key. However, once you're in here, you can change the secret key as often as you like. And you can do that from this menu here. I've got what I call the Just Do It menu. There's a number of functions on here. We'll go through those a little later, but one of those functions is change your secret key. So if you want to change your secret key, you can do that at any time, and it will change that for you. But of course, you need to be able to log in with that secret key first before you can change it. So if you lose a secret key, or you forget the secret key, or you can't get back in, your only solution is to delete your entire installation and reinstall it. But you'll see from this, it's very easy to do. And of course, you can save off your details and the information you have inside that. Again, we'll cover that in a later video. So just before we move on to doing some more interesting things with this, we'll just go through what's at the top here. You'll see it will welcome you with your login name. It will flag up here if any updates need doing to this site, not to any other site. This will change to red and say your master plugins are out of date or need updating, or your master themes are out of date. So anything that's out of date or needs updating in this particular site, so in your control site, it will tell you up here at the top, and you'll have to go and do that manually as normal. Also here we have the number of remote blogs, so your version will normally be, well, whatever your version is, that's how many blogs you can have. So this one's kind of 1 million, so it's basically unlimited, but it gives you up to 1 million blogs. It'll give you the version of the master plugin. In this case, it's 1.4, but yours may be a different number, of course. And this help and support link, if you've got problems, click the help and support link. It will take you to the help desk and the support blog, and where you can get help on the program.